Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'd show you guys what I did for homecoming, which is this really pretty look. It's like a black kind of smoky eye, and then it has a half cut crease of like this sparkly silver. It's very cute. I love it so much, and I think it's perfectly paired with this lipstick. So yeah, if you guys want to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation and I am just applying it all over my face and on my neck, and I'm just going to blend it out with my big oval brush. Okay guys, so I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter concealer and I am just applying that underneath my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. And then I'm just going to take my small oval brush and blend it all out. And then don't put it away when you're done because we will be using it after we do our eyebrows. Okay guys, next I'm taking my CoverGirl Ultrafine Brow Pencil and I'm just going to brush my brows out and then I'm going to fill them in and then shape them. Now I'm just taking back my concealer and I'm just going to be placing it above and below my brows and in the center just to clean them up a little bit, and I'm going to be blending it out, and yeah. The next thing I'm going to be doing is getting my Ulta Beauty Cream Contour Kit and then just contouring my face and my nose. And then I'm just going to blend all of the contour out. So now it's time for powder, and I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm just putting that underneath my eyes and on my jawline. For eyeshadow, I am using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette, and I don't know what that was, but okay. And the first color I'm going to be using is called Decadent, and I'm just going to be putting that on my crease. And the next color I'm using is So Bougie, and I'm just putting that in the inner corner of my crease and blending it out with Decadent. And finally, I'm using Rolling in Dough, and I'm just putting that on my brow bone. Now I'm taking back my concealer, and I'm making a half cut crease, so I'm just putting it near my inner corner on my eyelid and just kind of blending it out halfway. And then I'm putting Decadent back over just to blend it out a little bit more. I'm taking my Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Diamond Dust. It is legit so sparkly, and I'm actually like in love. And then after that, I'm just going to go back into the color Decadent and then kind of blend them together. After I'm done taking all my powder off, I am going to be doing my under eyes. I'm using the color Decadent and taking it halfway underneath my eye, and then I'm going to put Diamond Dust on a smaller brush and just put that the rest of the way. While I'm waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm taking out my liquid highlighter. It is the L'Oreal Paris Lumi Glow More in the color Daybreak, and this is so freaking shiny and I love it. And now I'm just going to be taking out my Master Studio Contour Kit, and I'm just getting the blush color and just putting that on my cheeks. Now that my lash glue has set and is dry, I'm just going to be curling my lashes. And after I do that, I'm going to be taking my Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm just going to be putting that on my lashes. Now it is time for lipstick. I am taking the Too Faced Melted Matte lipstick in the color Queen Bee, and I'm just putting that on my lips. And now I'm just taking my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and just spraying that around my face. Oh, I don't know what that, okay, oh dear. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any video requests, please comment them down below and I will try my hardest to do them. So yeah, and remember I post videos every single Friday. Bye!